This is question 8. Here is a 5-sided polygon on dotted centimetre grid. Part A, write down the mathematical name for a 5-sided polygon. The answer is a pentagon. You need to learn that. You need to learn them. You need to know that 3 sides is a triangle, 4 sides is a quadrilateral, 5 is a pentagon, 6 is a hexagon, 7 is a heptagon, 8 is an octagon, 9 is a non-agon, and 10 is a decagon. There are ways of remembering it. Octopus, 8, quad bike, 4, pentagon you got to learn, hexagon most people know but you need to make sure you learn it, decagon, think about decimals, 10, or even December actually was the 10th month until Julius Caesar and Augustus Caesar put their names in there. Okay, so the answer to that one is a pentagon. Part B, on the diagram mark with arrows a pair of parallel lines. Well, you've got two options. You've got that pair and this pair. I think you should do this as simply as possible, and I personally would mark the horizontal pair. But remember, parallel lines are lines that will never meet. Part C wants to know what type of angle is the angle marked X. Well, that one is an acute angle. You have 3 you need to know. There's an acute angle, obtuse angle, and reflex angle. The acute is between 0 and 90. Obtuse is between 90 and 180, and the reflex angle is between 180 and a complete turn at 360. Part D. Here is a 5-sided polygon on a dotted centimetre grid. Part D actually asks you to work out the area of the 5-sided polygon. Now, area is the space inside the shape. How I would do this is I would actually draw in the lines of the grid to make it into squares. I'm now going to count the complete squares. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 complete squares. Now it's a case of matching up the remainders to make complete squares. I've got 9 there, and I've got those 2 halves there, because they make 10. So I've got a total of 10 centimetres squared. Now, where do the examiners give the marks? Well, for the first 3 questions, it's only 1 mark, so we know that means it is 1 mark only, is either correct or wrong. For part D, there is 2 marks, and the marks are awarded 1 for writing the 10 and 1 for writing centimetres squared. So you could have, for instance, written 9 centimetres squared, and you'd have got that bit wrong, but you'd have still got 1 mark for writing that. So always include the units.